Welcome. My name is JoBeth and will be your narrator today. Together with my group mates Joffrey, Mizzy, and Earl, we have prepared a short demonstration on how to install Linux Mint operating system. Right before we start, let me give a short introduction about Linux Mint. Linux Mint is a computer operating system designed to work on most modern systems, including typical 34 and 64-bit PCs. The purpose of Linux Mint is to produce a modern, elegant, and comfortable operating system which is both powerful and easy to use. Some of the reasons for the success of Linux Mint are it works out of the box with full multimedia support and is extremely easy to use. It's both free of cost and open source. Linux Mint is a great operating system for individuals and for companies. To install Linux Mint, first open your browser and type Mint OS. Click the Linux Mint website and click the download button. After clicking download, at the bottom part of the screen, click another download button just right below Cinnamon Edition. Note that we are using Cinnamon Edition for this demo since this is the most popular version. After clicking download, you will be directed to another page where you will have to scroll down and choose the fastest server country mirror for download. After downloading the Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition, you will have to create a bootable device or drive that you will use to install the operating system to your computer. Assuming we already created a bootable device and plugged it into your computer, after turning it on, you will see the boot menu screen. To proceed with the installation, using the arrow keys on your keyboard, choose Start Linux Mint 21 Cinnamon 64-bit and press enter. Here you will see a splash screen, and after a while, it will load a live session of the Linux Mint operating system. During the live session, you can test the functionality of the apps included in the operating system as seen on the Start menu. To proceed with the installation, open the Install Linux Mint installer from the desktop. You can do this by double-clicking the disk icon. After the installer loads up, you will have to choose the language that you want. Next, click Continue. On this screen, you will set up a keyboard layout you prefer. Here, we've chosen English US keyboard layout, or commonly known as QWERTY keyboard layout. You can test if this works by typing in the text box below the menu and then click Continue. Here, we will need to put a check on the checkbox for multimedia codecs. This is recommended so that your computer can play different video formats and properly render websites after Linux Mint operating system is installed. In the next step, you will have to choose from the two installation types. You can either choose a clean installation, where the disk contents will be erased followed by the Linux Mint operating system installation, or choose the something else option where you can create or resize disk partitions. In this demo, we will go for the clean installation and then click Install Now. A window prompt will appear. Just click Continue to proceed. Next, select your time zone on the map and hit Continue. In this section, you will have to put in your details for the computer's profile. You'll have to fill in your name and your desired computer name, then create a username and password for security purposes. You can either click Login automatically or require a password every time you log in and use your computer device. For added security, you can also check the Encrypt Home folder to require a password on the home directory. Hit Continue. In this part, we will have to wait for the actual installation of the operating system. In this demo, we will fast forward a little bit to save some time. Once the installation is complete, you will see a window prompting you to either continue testing the live session or restart your device. To complete the installation, we will click Restart Now. After clicking Restart, you will see the Linux Mint logo with the instruction to remove the installation media or the bootable drive, then press Enter. Once done, your device will restart. Once it starts up, you can now log in using the credentials created earlier. After putting in your password and hitting Enter, you will see a welcome window that has information about the Linux Mint operating system you just installed. In the navigation sidebar, you will see Welcome, First Steps, Documentation, Help, and Contribute. Congratulations! You just successfully installed Linux Mint operating system Cinnamon Edition. Enjoy exploring!